Hey guys, good folks over at BougeRV sent me over this fan. It's a model F02. Summertime's here, man, and a little extra airflow will always help. So I was happy to get this. Let's get that opened up and check it out. See our charging cord here. Really nice sized battery. There's a USB-C to USB-C charging cord for our battery. So I guess you can run this thing AC or DC. That is cool. The battery is an 8,000 milliamp battery, so that should last you quite a while. Big old battery. Charge it right here on the top. I see that right there. And the fan itself. Nice size fan. Swivels all the way around. Nearly. Looks like we have a light right here in the center. Got some hangers right here. Scan those out. That's nice. Right inside here is where you'll plug that AC cord in. You'll be able to see that. If you want to run it AC instead of the DC, you can do that. The battery will go right here. But I have no AC out here, so let's hope it's got some juice in this. Have a light button right here. Got the light. Looks like you have a low and then a high. Right over here you have a USB-A and a USB-C port. So if you got your phone out here, you can charge your phone if you needed to. Yeah, power button here. Get that fan going. Oh wow, it puts out quite a bit of air. And on them hot days, you're definitely going to need all the air you can get. So carrying handle right there. Yeah, in case you didn't see me a while ago, if you couldn't see good, right here is where the AC will plug in. Right there. I just noticed the battery has a indicator right here. You see how much is charged? We need to charge. We're on the last middle life, 25%. Like I said, it will swivel all the way down or all the way up. If you've got it hanging upside down, you could use it like that. And it'll spin back a little ways and point down. Really nice fan. Will be nice this summer. If you're in the market for an AC DC fan, you might want to check this one out. Perfect little camping companion. I like it. And if you want to check it out over on the product page, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Might be something in that playlist that will perk your interest. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.